Salam and how are you, my gorgeous viewers? Hope you all fine. Today I am here with another vlog number 12 of free Udemy courses. You know I come up with free Udemy courses every day, every week, and so go and enroll in these courses. These courses can be very intriguing for you if you enroll in these courses, and these courses quite based on practical skills. And if you enroll in these courses, then you can learn some technical skills from these such courses for lifetime. And don't be exasperated if you are not getting job after college and university life, because after enrolling in these skills and learning from knowledge from these courses, you can get a job. And remember one thing, school or college doesn't issue you job, but a skill does. So go enroll in this course and share our video with your friends and family members. I will reply. So this is our first course for today. This course is for those people and students who want to know more about Python language. This course is quite persuasive for you if you are Python language endeavor. And I thought you should go for this course if you want to develop apps, building applications. Then this is great course. You just need to make account of Udemy at the start, and you just have to enroll in this course, because course is for free for 1 day only. So go enroll in this course and pursue your career in web development and app development. Is quite vital for those people who want to know more about blog. And in this course you will learn more about tricks, solid rules of good blog writing, how to organize your blog ideas, and how to sell your blog idea, a simple strategy for gaining traffic using your existing blog post. And that's a great course. This course is very intriguing if you enroll in this course. And go enroll in this course, and please share our video with your friends and family members. And this is free education for you. This is third course for today. And if you want to know more about data science, machine learning, and this course is for you. Machine learning is highly payable job nowadays, according to Forbes and other different newspapers. So drastically important for you. And this is our fourth course for today. This is for architect and civil engineers who want to know more about how to design buildings, BIM, how to know more about BIM. Revit is a great tool used nowadays in in every country. So if you want to know more about designing in Revit, then go for this course. And you will know more about how to design houses, residential buildings, bridges in this course. And a great course. Go and enroll in this course. You will know more about structure as well in the Revit software. This is our fifth course for today. This course is for those e-commerce and business students or people who want to know some practical knowledge about drop shipping and e-commerce business. And a great course. You just need to just need to be more drastically. This course will be drastically important for you to know more about e-commerce and drop shipping business. And you will know more about online stores as well in this course. Highly rated course. This is our sixth course for today. In this course you will know about video marketing, YouTube marketing, and you will know how to make videos for YouTube, how to sell videos, how to earn money from YouTube, how to edit videos from Adobe Premiere. A great course for those vloggers who want to share knowledge with people on YouTube. This is our seventh course for today. This course is for those people who want to know more about database development. SQL is a great field. If you want to be more endeavor in SQL, and this course is drastically important for you. Make yourself in SQL, and this course is more about practical, no boring theories. And Udemy is great platform for those people who want to know more about practical skills. Don't waste your time. Go and enroll in those courses, and you should have to be certain belief in yourself. This is our last course for today. Course is based on data science, Python, for those IT students who want to know more about Python in data science. You will know more about developing time series forecasting model to predict prices of stock, develop natural language processing model to customize sentiments in Python language, we'll learn more about artificial intelligence in this course, 6.5 hour long course, and I have applied coupon code, that's why it's free and quite high, quite important course. And don't waste unduly your time and go enroll in these courses. And thank you for today.